How to increase followers on Instagram without fake account on iOS. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to increase followers on Instagram without fake account iOS. First, open your browser. From here, search and go to easysmm.shop. Once you're in, tap on Explore Services. From here, you can see a lot of services that are available for sale. From here, scroll through and find Instagram services. After that, go to Instagram services. From here, tap on Buy Now. On the next page, you will get to see different packages that you can buy. Just scroll through and find the package that's best for you. After you find the right one, tap on Buy Now. On the next page, you will see an interface where it says to fill the details. Now, open your Instagram app. From here, go to your profile and copy your Instagram profile link. Then, open your browser again and paste the link of your Instagram profile. After that, put in your email address. Then, choose your payment method and then tap on Proceed to check out. And it's done. Please like, share, and comment. Hope you got some value and see you in the next video.